Welcome. This video is for 5 a day Further Mathematics FP1 for day 2. This is for day 2. So question number 6. In day 1 we have done from question number 1 to 5. Now it is day 2, question number 6. He has given alpha and beta are the roots of this one. Find alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta equal to nothing but what? Minus b upon a, which is negative 5 upon 1, which is negative 5. And product of the roots alpha beta is c upon a, which is 10 upon 1, which is going to be 10. Show that the value of alpha square plus beta square is 5. So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So which is going to be nothing but how much? Negative 5 whole square minus 2 times of 10, which is 25 minus 20, which is going to be 5. Next, hence find an equation whose roots are alpha upon beta and beta upon alpha. So first of all I have to find sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, which is common denominator is going to be alpha beta. So it becomes alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is 5, alpha beta is 10, so which is going to be 1 upon 2. Then I'm going to find it out the product of the roots. Product of the roots is alpha upon beta times beta upon alpha, which is 1. Once I know the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, the formula is x square minus x times sum of the roots plus product of the roots equals to 0. So it's going to be x square minus half x plus 1 equals to 0. That's going to be the answer for question number 6. Now we go to question number 7 is not there, then 8. We'll come back to question number 7 again. Question number 8. The cubic equation has roots alpha, beta, gamma. So x can be alpha, x can be beta, or x can be gamma. Use the substitution x equals to 1 upon u. So 1 upon u whole cube minus 3 times 1 upon u whole square plus 24 times 1 upon u plus 7 equals to 0. So the common denominator is going to be u cube. So which is 2 minus 3u plus 24u square plus 7u cube equals to 0. So what will be the equation? 7u cube plus 24u square minus 3u plus 2 equals to 0. For this, what will be the roots now? 1 upon alpha, 1 upon beta, and 1 upon gamma will be the roots of this equation. Hence, find this value. So, which is 1 upon alpha times 1 upon beta plus 1 upon beta times 1 upon gamma plus 1 upon gamma times 1 upon alpha, which is nothing but what? C upon A. So, what is C value? Negative 3, and A value is 7. So, answer is negative 3 upon 7. Coming to question number 7. The cubic equation has given alpha, beta, gamma. Find sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. So which is going to be nothing but what? Minus b upon a, which is minus of minus 9 upon 3, which is going to be 3. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma equals to c upon a, which is 6 upon 3, which is going to be 2. Now part B is asking us to find it out. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, which is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. So which is nothing but what? 3 square minus 2 times of 2. 9 minus 4, which is 5. Then part 2 A. Use the substitution to find the integer of coefficient. So again, what does that becomes now? 3 times 1 upon u whole cube minus 9 1 upon u whole square plus 6 times 1 upon u plus 2 equals to 0. So the common denominator is u cube. 3 minus 9u plus 6u square plus 2u cube equals to 0. So what's going to be the equation? 2u cube plus 6u square minus 9u plus 3 equals to 0. So what will be the roots of this equation? 1 upon alpha, 1 upon beta, and 1 upon gamma. Now he's asking the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is going to be minus b upon a, which is negative 6 upon 2, which is going to be negative 3. And last two questions. So show that alpha plus beta, alpha cube plus beta cube equals to alpha plus beta whole cube, and so on. So by using the binomial expansion, alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as 3c0 alpha cube plus 3c1 alpha square beta plus 3c2 alpha beta square plus 3c3 beta cube. So which is going to be nothing but how much? Alpha cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square plus beta cube. So I take what is this common? Alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta common. So it becomes alpha plus beta. So what will be alpha cube plus beta cube will be alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta times alpha plus beta. Now coming to the part 2. Find a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha cube and beta cube. So first of all I'll find the sum of the roots. Alpha cube plus beta cube, which is nothing but what? For this equation sum of the roots is 5 and product of the roots is 7. So it becomes 5 cube minus 3 times 7 times 5, which is going to be sum of the roots, which is going to be 20. Then I find product of the roots, which is alpha cube times beta cube, which is alpha beta whole cube, which is going to be nothing but how much? 7 cube, which is 343. So what will be the equation now? X square minus x times sum of the roots plus product of the roots equals to 0. And coming to the last question for today, question number 10, the cubic equation 3 plus I is a root. If 3 plus I is a root, it will be having conjugate. 3 minus I will be another root. Complex numbers, remember, two roots will be conjugate to each other. So another root is 3 minus I. And gamma is 2. Find the values of A, B and C. So we know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to negative A upon 1. So which is 3 plus I plus 3 minus I plus 2 equals to negative A. I and I gets cancels. 8 equals to negative A. A equals to negative 8. Then product of the roots 3 plus I times 3 minus I times 2 equals to minus D by A. And over here it is 9 minus I square times 2 equals to D is C over here, A is 1. So 9 plus 1 times 2 equals to negative C. So negative C equals to 20. C equals to negative 20. Then taking two roots at a time. 3 plus I times 2 plus 3 minus I times 2 plus 3 plus I times 3 minus I should be equals to C upon A. So which is 6 plus 2I, 6 minus 2I plus 9 minus I square equals to C value. What is C value over here? B. B upon 1. So 2I gets cancels. 12 plus 9 plus 1 equals to B. So B equals to 22. So final answer is A equals to negative 8, B equals to 22 and C equals to negative 20. So that completes the video for today. See you in the day 3 video. Bye.